Hi everyone. Let's say you have to build a website. It can be a blog, a documentation website, or whatever you want. If you want a low-cost solution and that is performant for your users, you might want to use a static website generator. The current solutions are very limited. Let's say you could use your favorite stack. You never know. The one you love, the one that is easy to reason about, the ones that allow you to improve the quality of your code with unit testing and type checking. The ones that can be used universally in Node, in a browser, or even in a native application. Let's say you can use React, Webpack, Flow, CSS module, and literally anything from NPM. Some solution like Metalsmith can offer a fraction of that. But this just render a dump string. In these cases, React doesn't kick in on the client, so your on-click events are ignored. With a bit of courage, you might want to hack your way into it. Still, you won't have a proper asset graph. I tried my way to hack into it, and I ended up creating another kind of generator. It's called Phenomic. If you represent Phenomic simply, it's basically a function that takes your content and transforms it through Webpack and React and make a website out of it. Your content can be written in Markdown, LaTeX, HTML, JSON, JS, whatever. Basically, any format. Forget the old templating language. You build your website with React components, Lego blocks. You might ask, what does Phenomic add to the equation? First off, you got hot reloading for the content. Next, you will have a top-notch user experience. At build time, Phenomic render for each page a static HTML file. The result of the website is completely SEO-friendly, and that will work for the 2 people in the whole world who disable JavaScript. It's important. The big difference when JS is on is that when the user navigates, it just loads the minimal data requirements. In fact, for each page, Phenomic also creates a small chunk of JS, which contains all the data. With this, you can finally offer a real smooth page transition without the hacky PJAX solution. Out of the box, if you deliver your website over HTTPS, you have a progressive web app with a service worker. You can generate, for example, an RSS feed or a sitemap with just a plugin. We are currently working on making Phenomic able to consume anything with a minimal API. You will be able to generate a static version of a Wordpress website, for example. Another thing we are working on is built-in search. This is really amazing for a static website. We are going to make an index at build time, so you can add a static search without relying on an external service. Phenomic is a static website generator that wants just developer and writer to be happy. As it's a project by and for web developers, we'll be really happy to receive your input and contribution. Thank you.